So, right, you know, good old fat monkey. He kind of. What did he do, Cannon? Did he quit YouTube?
I think, yeah. Yes, he quit.
Yeah, and that's really sad because I can't meme him anymore and I can't make fun of him.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
And that seemed like those videos seem to be like some of my most popular ones where I'm memeing the fat monkey. So you know what we're gonna do today? Meme the fat monkey. Ha!
Got him!
Alright, so let's find his first video, eh? Alright, so we're at his channel now, seeing some vids and ooh, 26 kill win. Let's see that one, eh? Okay, I'm sorry. I just love doing that to his intros. Continue on. Starting this off, I can already see that, sadly, I've been clickbaited by the clickbaiter of clickbaiters. You already know that when the fat monkey's playing with someone by the username of ChoyBoy45, there's gonna be some pretty sweaty build battles, am I right? He should be dead. Straight away, he should be dead. It's just, he's playing creative and not getting a 26 kill win. It's kind of triggering me because I got clickbait and it's sad. Ooh, sweaty pyramid. The level of bots he's playing against in this creative is just, ugh. Oh, Jefferson Craig, I've heard of him. He's like a really, really good player and he can like trick shot people like Booger and that, but no, he's just one of, he's a bot, let's just put it that way. Still waiting on my 26 kill win. and that's just it. That's the end of it. Like no, not even like a flick shot or anything. No snipes. Just all good old flint knocks coming at you, bro. Like, oh my god, he's such a god. But how about we get on to the next fat monkey clip? And here we have, ooh, overnight on my trampoline. Let's see this one, eh? Yo, we actually got. I'm gonna stop you right there, B. When you see like an actual video, if this is the first frame, this picture right here, you know you're in for a wild ride. Wild ride? What is that?
20 subs. Oh, finally. After like a year. Oh yeah, 23rd of April. My year of YouTube coming out.
Surprisingly, me and B were actually pretty even matched with subscribers at our 1 year marks. I mean, at the end of last year, we gotta check what I was on. Let's go see. Alright, I'm on the social blade now. Let's type up my name, Xavier. Alright. Freaking redirection. Oh, yeah, let's get through that, eh? Hurry up. Jesus Christ, what is this Wi-Fi? Oh, alright. Here we are. Let's go. Xavier. Alright. Oh. Yep, okay. Yeah, go watch my latest video at the side with that moustache. Yeah, that's pretty sick, eh? Yeah, and here I found it. So December 29th. Yep, that's my 1 year anniversary. I was at 28, so yeah, that's pretty sick. Ha! Yeah, fat monkey bot beat you, bro. I was at 28 subs and you're at 20 after our 1 year mark. Yeah. Wait, that's actually insane though. I've gotten 40 subs in a year because I'm a really small YouTuber and I'm at like 65 subs right now. 40 subs in 2019 alone. That's pretty good. I doubled what I got last year. Maybe we could triple it next year. 612. I could get 180 subs next year. Oh! Actually, nah, who cares? Let's just continue with the video.
Yeah, I said like a couple of videos ago, that if I get 20 subscribers, I'll make full do a trampoline overnight challenge.
He was originally going to do it with me on my trampoline, my big rectangle one that I've got down the back here. And I mean, compared to his small one, it's like the size of a freaking peanut. Mine's much bigger and would be better to jump on and stay overnight, so yeah. And as you can see, even though it's from April, I still have the conversation right here about it, and then he completely ditched me and just did it on his own because I was in Newcastle. Anyways, let's continue.
Hey, we have set up the trampoline for a place that I can sleep in well.
Do I need to go to Specsavers? I legit can't see anything.
Sorry, wait. There's the entrance to the trampoline. Right there. And then I'll show you my tent if you haven't seen it already. So here it is. I put a blanket over the top just so, yeah, you know.
Sorry, I'm just trying to answer in my head, like, why would you put a blanket over the top of something? Like, I mean, blankets over the top of something, just, they're so boring and, like, why would you even do it? I mean, I never put a blanket on my head, like, never, bro.
We have the pillow or the sleeping bag underneath that and blankets, an extra blanket there if I get cold, water bottle and bag to put my electronics in.
Beck what? Beck what? Butonics? Bubonic? You got the bubonic plague? Bro, chill out, Beat. I never knew that. Jeez, I've got to stay far away from you from now on.
So yeah, I'm gonna wake up like every couple of hours maybe and just do like a little vlog on how things are going. And yeah, so this is gonna be really fun. 10 o'clock. I've been out here for 2 hours. And yeah, apparently it's supposed to be like quite cold tonight. Not looking forward to that because last time I was in a tent, it was the most cold thing I have ever been in my whole life. Like, I was sleeping on the tent and just, it was freezing.
I 100% agree with him right there. I went camping like around April-ish and I was in the tent, and if it rains, oh my god, it's like bathing in like liquid nitrogen. And like, I'm really, really receptive to cold. So like, I got heat stroke in Antarctica receptive. So yeah, cold tents absolutely suck.
Guys, look. The moon is about to appear. Oh. I need a shot of this.
Is that an attempt at ASMR? Because my ears are absolutely on fire from all that crackling.
There we go. Yeah, look at that moon. That looks sick. Yeah, that's really cool. Because it's a full moon. It's a full moon, and there's lots of clouds passing it as well. That looks really cool.
That looks really cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
So cool. Mom, get the camera. Mom, get the camera. It's a werewolf. Oh my god, let's go quick. Oh my god, we gotta run. Holy crap. Jesus. Help me. I don't want to get eaten by the werewolf. Oh my god. Help me, please, God. Oh my gosh. I've taken refuge on my trampoline. Hopefully this should buy me some time. Hopefully I have to escape. Maybe the werewolf could actually be Remus Lupin. Didn't think about that. Maybe we should go back. Right. Back to the couch. Alright, yeah. Back on the couch now. Should be fine.
Nah, dude. Nah.
Nah! The video is getting really long now, so I'm just going to skip to where he gets to the morning. He woke up at like midnight and then 1 a.m, so yeah.
The sun's actually meant to rise in 2 minutes. 16 past 6 o'clock. I'm really dumb. Put the alarms on for myself.
Never actually seen Bede so angry. But in finale, he basically just went, oh yeah, I'll stay outside until the sun comes up, which he did, and then he puts in this fake sunrise at the end, which I'll show you now, and that'll bring us to the end of the video. Bye all.